Hi everybody, it's Organized Joy time. Can you believe we are in February, or about to hit February? 1 month into 2018 already, I can't believe it. So it's that time of the month where I show you my diary for the next month. How are we going to plan your diary for February? Now, I have been using my Pro Vertical Moleskin diary, where I have a week up on a page and then a page behind that I think in front of it, for all my notes and tasks and what have you. It's very different to what I used last year, so I'm taking a bit of time to get used to it, but I'm getting into it and it's working because I put all of my personal, my home and Organized Joy into it, so it does allow me to have one book only, which is great. I did the exact same version for my BDO World, just a bigger size page, a full A4 size page diary, should I say, and that is working really, really well. It's working. So I just need to get into the swing of things for my home one. But I'm enjoying having one diary versus having three. So that's working quite well. We're going to get into showing you how I've done February, show you all my pages and what's going in where. It's important to put in birthdays and any days you want to remember. Your gym appointments, coffees, flutter-lash, what episode I'm flighting that day, my hair appointments, more birthdays, pampering, and any travel. Then I've added in gym again, Valentine's Day, coffees. When I'm on leave, I'm doing a leadership course for Organized Joy, which I'm really excited about. Pampering beforehand to have pretty nails for the course. There's no list for you this time. There is a list before from January of all the things that I put into diaries, so you can go and have a look at that. That's list 34. I have a Pinterest board on bullet journaling, which is a great help. And I've also linked below for you all the episodes around the different things that I put into my diary. So anniversaries, birthdays, shopping, chores, the whole shebangle. They're all there for you to go and watch if you haven't already. But here's to February. I hope you have a nice Valentine's Day. Make sure you plan a nice one if it's not planned for you. If you haven't hit subscribe yet, please do so now. And hit the little button that's got a bell on it. You'll get a notification to say when I load a new video. And if this video has been helpful, then give me a thumbs up. If there's something you think I've missed in my February diary, please pop me a note in the comments below. And yeah, I'll be sure to include it and show you. Maybe I'll put it up on my Instagram stories for you. Thanks very much for joining me at Organized Joy, organizing your life from A to Z.